If you search for on Google, you will earn $10. If you search for on Google, you will earn another $10. Just like this, you can earn $10 again and again for every minute you spent searching for on Google. And by the end of this video, I will show you how you can even earn up to $200 in just few minutes by just searching on Google, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to google.com. We all know about Google and how it works, but today I will show you how you can get paid to search for different businesses like e-commerce business, digital marketing business, and so on. But don't worry, you don't need to sell anything to any of them. You just need to search for businesses like digital marketing agency, e-commerce agency, digital marketing company, etc. And you can earn up to $10 per minute you spend searching for these businesses on Google. Now the second step is to come over to this new tool that's going to make you money for searching Google. As you can see, you will get $10 for every person who joins the free trial of this tool through your referral link. Not only that, if they decides to buy the premium subscription of this tool, you will earn $200 of commission on top of this $10 sign-up referral commission for every person buying the premium subscription of this tool. Whether they buy the premium subscription or not, you will still get the $10 sign-up commission for your each referral. So imagine getting only 10 people every day who joins the free trial of this tool through your referral link. You will be earning a good amount of $100 per day for completely free. If you get only 30 people a day, you will be earning $300 a day. And in a month, you will be earning over $9,000, which is really awesome. Now, the name of this tool is SEMrush.com. SEMrush is a tool for Google website SEO and rankings. As you can see, you can grow organic traffic with SEMrush's complete and easy SEO tools. You can create content with SEMrush that helps you to rank your website in top Google search results. You can spy on your competitors' marketing strategies and implement the same to your business. And the reason why I am sharing the information about this tool is because if you have the knowledge of this tool beforehand, you can easily promote it to others and can make 10 times more money than others. So, I would suggest you to go over to semrush.com and read more about this tool. Once you are on the homepage of semrush.com, I want you to scroll down all the way down to the bottom of this page, and I want you to click on affiliate program from there. It will take you to this page from where you can join the SEMrush affiliate program by pressing this apply now button over here. And as you can see down here, SEMrush pays you the highest commissions in the industry, where you get $200 for every sale you make, plus $10 for every free trial your referrals sign up for. Not only that, SEMrush has 120 days of cookie life, which means if you refer someone to the SEMrush but they don't sign up on it at that moment, even if they subscribe to the premium plan within 120 days from the date they clicked your referral link, you will still earn $200 in affiliate commissions. So, to join SEMrush affiliate program, you just need to click on this apply now button, and that's gonna take you to next page where you need to click on this sign up button to proceed. And on next page, you can see the SEMrush contract terms. As you can see, even if someone register using your referral link only, and even if they don't sign up to the free trial, you will still get 1 cent per registration on SEMrush. But we are not here for some cents. We are here to make big money. So if you scroll down, you can see that you will get $10 per free trial your referrals sign up for. And if your referrals make the purchase of premium plan, you will get $200 per sign up to premium plans. So just scroll down a little bit, read the terms of service, and just click where it says accept. Then on the next page, you need to sign using your Gmail account, Facebook account, and all. After that, you need to enter your name and your mobile phone number. Click on both of these terms and conditions box and click on get started. They will send you a verification code on your phone number. You just need to type it in this box and proceed. Now, they will ask for your primary business model, where you can select the option that fits perfectly with your business. Or, if you don't have any business model yet, you can just select the creator option from there and just continue by pressing this button. Then, you need to choose the method that you will use to promote the SEMrush. And for this, you can use add socials option from there, because this is the easiest way to get accepted in SEMrush affiliate program. And now, you need to add your social account on this. And if you watched my giveaway video, you must know how you can grow an Instagram account to over 1,000 followers within just a week. So, I want you to create a new Instagram account in digital marketing niche, grow it to over 1,000 followers, and then come over to the SEMrush affiliate program and connect your IG account here. It will take you to the Facebook login because they are accepting only those Instagram accounts that are connected with your Facebook page. So, once you add your social account on this page and complete your registration process for SEMrush affiliate program, your application will go under review, and within 6 to 7 days, you will be most probably accepted in their affiliate program, from where you will get your affiliate link, which will look something like this. Now, the step number 3 is to come back to Google again. And if you remember, we left the Google tab after searching for digital marketing agency. Now, I want you to be very specific about the location where you are searching for the agency. So for example, you can search for digital marketing agency in New York, digital marketing agency in California. You can be from anywhere in the world and you will still get the search results for the specific location. So, you can use any location that you think might have good clients that can easily buy the premium plans on SEMrush. For the purpose of this video, let us search for digital marketing agency in New York. And as you can see, you can find 3 to 4 sponsored ads in the search results. Now, because they are already paying money to Google for showing their website on the top 5 results for this search term, they already have enough money to spend on ranking their website organically. So, you can promote the SEMrush tool to these agency owners, and there are very high chance that they will buy the SEMrush premium plan if they don't have one already. And if they buy any of the premium plan plan of SEMrush, you will get $200 plus $10, which comes to the total of $210 for just searching Google for a minute. Now all you have to do is open all of these websites in new tabs and find their contact email address from there. So for example, on this website, you can scroll up and down to find their contact mail ID written somewhere. As you can see, there is contact option where you can find the email ID which you can use to contact the owner of this agency. Just like this, I want you to collect the email address of all the agencies that are running the sponsored ads on the search results for this location. Also, you can use the other search results for the same and can collect the email IDs from these agencies too that are ranking good on this search term. Not only that, you can also change the location to something else. So, you can for example search for digital marketing agency in California, Las Vegas, etc. And you can find many more email contacts of different digital marketing agencies around the world. Now, once you collect at least 50 emails of these agencies, the step number 4 is to send the emails to these agencies. And for this, all you have to do is go over to Gmail account and click where it says compose. Then, you need to paste the email ID of the agency in this box on the top. And for the subject and the copy of the mail, you want to come over to ChatGPT. Now, you want to give command to ChatGPT, which might be like this. Write 5 email copies promoting SEMrush to digital marketing agency. And as soon as you press enter, ChatGPT will start creating 5 subjects as well as 5 copies of the mails that you can use and copy paste into your mail. So as you can see, ChatGPT has provided you with the best 5 email copies with subject lines and copies that you can easily use for your mail to the digital marketing agencies. So just copy the subject from here and paste it to your email. Then, copy the text of the email from here and paste it into this box over here. Now, there is something you need to pay attention to. First, we need to replace this agency name text written over here with the actual name of the agency, which in our case is Jack Morton, so I will replace this with Jack Morton. Secondly, I want you to add a call to action in this mail, which can be something like, take your free trial today. And then, I want you to add your affiliate link in this call to action, which you can do with this insert link icon on the bottom. And here, you need to paste your SEMrush affiliate link and just press on OK button right here. As you can see, the link has already been inserted to our call to action. Now you can copy this and paste it in the end of the mail too, so that the reader can see the call to action in the end of the mail too, and click on it. Now, when the owner of these agencies will see your mail, they will click on this call to action to get the free trial, and you will get $10 for each sign up for the trial. Or even better, some of them will buy the premium plan after seeing the usefulness of SEMrush for their business and for their clients. And once they buy any premium plan of SEMrush, you will get paid $200 for completely free. So now, all you have to do is collect as many emails of these digital marketing agencies as possible and earn $10 for every minute you spend searching on Google.